Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to PNF Analytics. This time, what we are going to do in this particular video, we will look into the things that are in Module 3 of Power BI. Okay, so this is regarding our Power BI, and we will continue with this one as up to Module 2 of Power BI, and these modules are as per the PL 300 exam. So this is more or less the preparation for PL 300 exam. And if you want to skill up yourself in the area of Power BI, you can avail this one also. So the thing that we need to talk today, or we need to discuss today, that is related to the module, that is the third module. Okay. And it is related to visualizing and analyzing the data. Okay. Up to module 2, all the topics as per PL 300 are available in our another lists. So you can go through that. It will be with you over there. You can go through that. If you have any queries in that, you can let me know. I will discuss in upcoming sessions. Okay. So let's begin with this so that we can move ahead and look that what are the things inside it. So the first thing that we need to understand in it, that is, it contains the aggregate percent like 25 to 30% in PL 300 exam. Okay, so let's see into it that how it works. So the first part of PL 300, that is, you can say, to create reports, because you see that the module third, visualize and analyze the data. It is further divided into three categories. First category is create the reports. Okay. Second category, that is to enhance those reports for usability and storytelling. Okay. So in first part, some visualizations and all those things will be there that are used to creating those reports. Then in second section, how you can enhance those reports for further usability and creating the storytelling part, right? Then finally identifying the patterns and trends into it so that you have the particular visualizations with you, right? And particular insights out of the data. Fine. So let's see about the curriculum that over there, the different topics that we have in it, right? So if you have any doubt, let me know, and in chat box, please drop it, right? So these are the different topics that are, you can say, given by the Microsoft to prepare for PL 300 exam. Okay, one by one we will understand the different categories. That is, create the report, enhance reports for usability and storytelling, and identify the patterns and the trends available in it. Fine. So let's see. We talk about the create reports. When create reports, it is more or less about creating the visualizations, formatting the visualizations, and the different, you can say, parameters you want to use into it. Like identify and implement appropriate visualization. For a particular requirement, you must understand that which particular visualization you need to select. Okay. Second thing, format and configuring those visualizations. Because simple, we already created many visualizations in the uh, previous two modules. So we've seen that if we just put the visualization as it is in the default format, it will not represent the appropriate information that are in it, right? So then use a custom visual, that the visualizations that can be added in Power BI from the different sources, apply and customize the themes. Themes, you all understand about basically what is theme, but what is the role of theme in Power BI? We need to understand that part because say you are working with same pattern, your formattings are always same. So why you can't save them and use it in every part, right? Every visualizations. Okay. So so configure the according to the conditional formatting. Fine. In conditional formatting, you know it about the Excel conditional formatting. So the same thing you can reflect in your tables, in your visuals also using the conditional formatting in Power BI. Okay. Then the part of slicers and the filters come up with point number 6. From this one, you will understand how to implement the slicer and the filters as per the requirement. After going through these points, you will understand to configure the report page, how the page size will be, what will be the format of the page, how it looks like, is it in A4, letter size, lengthy report, or that kind of things. Then you can use the analyze in Excel feature. This is somehow we will move on to Power BI services. Again, if you don't have any corporate ID or you can say work ID, email ID, then you are not able to log into Power BI services. For your practice purpose to understanding the services, if you require, I can give you a work ID that you can use for your practice purpose. If you require, please drop a comment. Okay, contact me. I will provide you that particular email ID from which you can easily log in on Power BI services and you can understand the things. Right from the point 8, Power BI services will be used. So use the analyze in Excel feature. Choose when to use a paginated report. Okay. So this one up to point 9, the part of creating reports will be there. Okay. Then how we can enhance the effectiveness of those reports, the usability of those reports, creating the storytelling. Okay. For that, we have the very first thing that is configure your bookmarks. Bookmarks are available in this particular Power BI. So how we can use that? Then how the tooltips are working, how we can customize a tooltip according to our requirement, add it and configure interactions between the visuals using filters, using slicers, using visualization itself, how those can be interact with other visualizations. We will understand that one. Configure navigation for a navigator for a report. So how you need to navigate from one page, one point to another. We need to understand that one from the navigators available in the Power BI. Sorting, ascending and descending order sorting, how automate sorting and how particular sortings can be implemented. Then synchronize your slicers. How you can synchronize your slicers in Power BI. Synchronizing it means that Suppose you have three reports, 3-page reports you created, and you wish that whenever I am applying any slicer on one page, it will be implemented on all the reports. So that is synchronizing your slicer. We will see that one, that how to move on with that particular slicers. Then grouping, layer your visuals by selecting the selection pane. This is a feature available in Power BI. How to use that one, that is given in grouping and layering the visuals by using this particular feature of Power BI. Drill down feature will be available so that using the interactive visualizations, how we can use the drill down process in it. Okay. Configure export of report content and perform an export. How you can share your report to someone else, how you can export it to other formats, what are the different other formats, what are the content that you need to put into the report formations. Okay. Then you have mobile device designing is also available in it. So how you can design the reports for mobile device. Why is it required? Because as you know that Power BI is also available as an app. So Power BI mobile services are also available over there. You can view the reports. But again, those views of those reports in Power BI mobile will only visualize properly if it is in a mobile device format, right? So in that way, things will work, and you can design those reports using the as per the compatibility of Power BI mobile devices. How you can incorporate the question and answer features in the report, just like AI, AI tools you all are using. So how you can configure it, how you can design the QA features into it. That whatever prompt language you are writing in those QA feature, and it will give you a simple output out of it, right? And it will give you the visualizations also related to it. Like what is the sales last year? So it will give you the visualizations and the data related to the sales available in the last year, right? Then this part is completed, that is enhanced reports for usability and storytelling. Then up to this point, your reports are done. You are done with your uh, visualizations, creating your reports. Now time to analyze it. What are the things that you identified in those reports? Okay. So that is what identify patterns and trends. Design, use the analyze feature in Power BI. It will give you the recommendations that these are the different patterns and trends in your data. That is more or less you can say AI feature also. Using grouping, bin, and clustering in Power BI for forecasting, for understanding the distribution of your data. Using bin feature, you can create histogram. You can go through a range of particular data, right? Power BI has its own AI visuals available. How to use that? Okay. How to identify the different things in it. Then how to use the reference lines, error bars, and forecasting features in Power BI. Okay. Detecting the outlier and anomalies. That is very much required that you have to remove those outlier and anomalies. Okay. create and share the scorecards and the matrices. That's the last topic of the third module. More or less, the things are related to, first of all, visualizing your available data, then analyzing that for the further purpose. Fine. So these are the different features, or these are the different topics you can say available in module 3 that we are going to deal in upcoming sessions. Fine. So how we are going to divide it? How the sessions will be divided? So we have, say, identify and implement appropriate visualizations. So let me club them. Format and configure the visualizations using a custom visual. It will be in one session. Apply and customize a theme. Configure conditional formatting and apply slicers and filters. This will be in session number 2. Configure the report. Use the analyze in Excel feature. Choose when to use a paginated report. This will be in the third session. Configuring the bookmark, creating customer tooltips, edit and configure interactions between visuals. This will be in the fourth session. I will also let you know what are the dates that we are going to live these sessions. Configure navigator for the report, apply sorting, configure synchronize slicer, group and layer visuals by using selection pan, and drill down into data using interactive visuals. This will be the session 5. Configure, design, incorporate. This will be in the session number 6. Use the analyze feature, grouping, binning, and clustering, and use AI visuals. This will be in 7. And the remaining one will be in the session 8. So total 8 dates we require. Fine. So these 8 dates we need to work with, right? So let's see what are the dates we need to go through. Fine. So let's schedule those dates. So one session, let me have the calendar also with me. So today, one session. So total we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 sessions will be there. So the first session will be today, that is 1st of Feb 2024. All sessions will be at 5 p.m. and it is according to Indian Standard Time. Okay. So first session will be today and second session will be tomorrow. Fine. That is 2nd Feb 2024. Third session will be on 3rd Feb 2024. Then up to third session, then we will take break because we completed the create a report part. Fine. So you need to do the practice for that. That's why on Sunday we will giving a break. Then we have the session on 5th to 2024. Okay. Then 6th Feb 2024. Then 7th Feb 2024. Fine. So like this. Then again 8th and 9th. So 8th Feb 2024 and 9th of Feb 2024. This will be the schedule for these sessions. Like this, on 9th of Feb, we will complete the module 3. There will be two projects. Okay, so project number 1 will be treated as your assignment. You can do by yourself. So it will be available in our GitHub profile. So you can go through that one. First project will be dropped on 4th of Feb. Okay, the project that we will do, the major project for module 3 that we will do on the next Saturday, that is 10th of Feb. Fine. And question and answers as per PL 300 exam of module 3rd. Okay, that we will discuss on 12th of Feb. So you can post your questions, you can post your queries before that so that we can take those questions in QA session on 12th of Feb. Fine. So this will be the schedule that we are going to keep throughout the PL 300 module 3rd part. Okay. So this will be the part. Fine. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Press the bell icon so that you will also get the notification of the sessions. Fine. That's it for today. Thank you so much, all of you, for watching this video. Be connected and just prepare for PL 300 exam so that you will be the Microsoft Associate certifications with you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, all of you.